In this video, we're going to be showing how the Shoestring approach can be used to digitize data from a legacy panel in the factory of one of our Shoestring partners. Having gone through the Shoestring workshop, we've identified that the digitalization of the panel data is a priority for the company and are now going to specify a solution in the solution configurator. We could create a solution from scratch, starting either from the service module or building block level, but here we're going to select a predefined solution from the process monitoring category. We're going to extract from the panel the position data from a switch, the temperature reading, and the on-off status of a red light. Our pre-configured solution for legacy panel data collection contains building blocks for computing, sensing, a driver, and a service wrapper, which allows this service module to communicate with other services. We select options most appropriate to our situation, in this case choosing a Raspberry Pi computer, camera, and Python to undertake image processing. We can specify the position of each of the components we need to extract data from within the interface. Here's what our setup looks like with the camera in place. We also specify a service module for our user interface, this time using a Surface Pro tablet as well as the Grafana software. We can set up what kind of data visualization we want to see. In this case, we choose red light status, dial position status, the current temperature, and a plot of temperature over time. Our visualization in Grafana will look something like this. Having finalized our solution, the solution configurator now provides us with the code we need to run the process as well as a shopping list of the components we need, and the project is complete.